thought me you from with a guy. Said you was real niggas, but you goofy, we know you were right. I ain't trying to
saying, I'm gonna install this charge pipe. My dad's working outside too, so if you hear him in the background, I didn't get to install it the other day, but hold on, I'm just putting on this glove. We're gonna install it right now. I gotta clean these mats, man. Okay, so to install this, what we're gonna need to do is, this is what we're replacing right here, this charge pipe. That won't be exposed that much, but it will still add a little pop to the engine bay. What I'm gonna need to do is take off this intake. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna need to take it off. So I'm gonna take this off, and then I'm gonna get to the charge pipe. But first, I'm gonna clean the charge pipe because, you know, your boy engine bay dirty, but gotta take care of business. So you already know, we pop this off like always. Like always, engine is still hot because your boy just got back from work. So same as before, I'm gonna do a time lapse. I'm not really gonna run through it. There's a lot of videos explaining how to do it. I'm more of a time lapse guy. But like I said, I do have these to install color match ones, and also the wind deflectors to go there. But I gotta go pick up 3M tape. But what I am gonna do is make sure this gets installed right now. My bad boy died. It's all good. And she is all in. Ready to go. I think that looks 10 times better than this bad boy. Stands out a little bit more, even though it's a little bit hidden. But just to double check everything. Everything is all in. Everything's all tight, snug, good to go. I just have this one bolt from the stock one. I just throw it in this box. But yeah, man. Getting a little dark out. I don't know, whenever it's cold this camera dies a lot. Maybe I need to get a, what you call it, a backup battery. But I need a new engine cover. But your boy has completed a mission yet again, and there you go, there it is. There you have it, another install out the way. Your boy had work. I had work at 12. I worked 7 to 7 yesterday, valet. Then I went to work at 12:30 a.m. Got out of work at 5:30. Went straight to construction. Got out 2:45 and still came home to make sure I had content for you boys. So if you haven't already, drop a like, subscribe, comment. My boy, this grind don't stop, and it looks really good. Shout out to my boy Victor. You a goat. And we definitely need to get a new engine cover. But there you go, that's the install. Stay tuned, I got other things coming. I actually might go pick up some 3M tape and actually put these on. I probably won't record that though. I'll probably just record the ending. But yeah, stock charge pipe. Highly recommend changing this out. That shit will crack if you upgrade the turbo. So I'm just glad I got this for a steal, package deal with, let me just show the exhaust, baby. Looks good. So yeah, your boy Topshada is out, baby. Another install done for the Supra. I don't know what's next, but we just gonna go with the flow, baby.